We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with the brother MFC L2720dw. So first thing first, I will pull out my tray. These little green guys here, these are your adjusters for your paper. So this one adjusts for the size, letter, or legal. So you want to make sure that that is in the correct spot. And it's not too tight or too loose. If the paper's too tight or too loose in the tray, then the printer will either not pick it up or pick up multiple at a time, causing a jam. Then right here, these tabs, you never want to fill over this. This is the max level indicator. So you don't ever want to fill over that. Then another thing to do is when you are adding paper to your tray, don't just stick it in there like this, because what it'll do is when you just stick it in there, the paper's already down there, this could curl up, yet again causing a jam. So take your old paper and your new paper, and then go ahead and put it together and fan it out. Sometimes the condensation in the air or even the static makes the paper stick together, which would cause the rollers to pick up more than one. So once you fan it out, go ahead and align it, and then you can put it in your tray and you should be good to go. If you guys are in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.